everyone, this is Michael speaking from Engine.ly live, and this tutorial is about how to use the Elementor, or should we say editor, to change your site layout or even the design. So the first thing you have to do is you can use this feature, upload your your project by using the backup that we save in your local desktop or laptop. Yeah, or the website is backup. So if you want to maximize, you do that. And how we're gonna do is actually open up because we will need the chat um, live. All you have to do is, can you see that arrow? Enable element inspector. So any part of the website you can highlight and change based on your needs. All you have to do, let me just change. There we go. So I'm gonna highlight this, change color to yellow. So it's just an example. So anything is changeable. All you have to do is highlight. Okay. Choose the module, and there we go. When you click enter, it does take a while. It's quite powerful feature. So now it's analyzing your request based on your inputs. Okay. As you can see, is determine files to read. You can see there. So the change has been applied. Now it has to create the file, and then the site will reload. Then you will see the changes. Okay, it's very straightforward. So anything on that layout is changeable. All you have to do is enable the Elementor feature. Very, very useful and powerful. As you can see, look at the color. Now is yellow. All right. So you can change anything you want from footer to header. Okay. So this is the tutorial for today. Next week will be next week or maybe Monday we'll be creating more tutorials. All right. I hope you have a great day. And yeah, check engine.ly. Thank you. See you soon.